Hey guys, welcome. So today's topic is heights and width in Excel. So let's get started. So most of the time, you must have seen that Excel normally adjusts the heights and width of the column by itself. So let's say you are having this as your header, okay, and you have some data over here which is not clear to you. So how do you extend this width? You just click on this and just extend it, okay, or you can just extend it the way to the maximum number of width you want. However, if you just double click it, it will extend it to the maximum best fit for the current cell. Okay, in a similar way, if you want to extend width of any of these columns, you can just click on those columns and then just adjust it. Okay, if you want to adjust all the columns to a particular fit, you just select all those columns, and if you can see the width over here, 95 pixel, so it will adjust all these cells width to 95 pixels. Okay, so if you see, if I type something over here, January, hello, I am Vikas Mehta. So if you see this Excel, this column width is not adjusted. However, if I just double click it, it will extend it to the maximum best fit. Okay, so if I just double click it, it will take me to the best fit. So this is not the width which is over here. However, if you want the same width over here, you can just click on this cell, format paint, and then click it back. So it will again adjust it to the best width. Now let's say your data is increased. Okay, so the value increased over here, and if you just double click it, so currently it has not changed it to the maximum level. However, I will show you when does it takes adjust itself to the best fit. Okay, so now let's say you want to adjust all of these cells. This is not properly attached, and this is also not attached. So if you want to adjust all of these cells at once, just click over here and then double click over here. Okay, if you see, now all these cells are adjusted. In a similar way, if you want this part also, the rows part also, to be best fitted, so you can always click on these buttons and just double click it. So let's say this is higher than what it needs to be. Just click on this button, double click, or you can just click on that particular cell, right click, and adjust the column width or column height. Okay, so I will just double click it. You can also right click and double click over here. Okay, so these are different formats wherein different ways wherein you can adjust the column width and column height. Okay, so now at this moment this column is best fit. Okay, uh, to this column. So if I change it to, let's say, 35000, so if you see over here, this has adjusted itself to the best fit. Okay, so based on the current format, Excel adjusts itself to the best fit. Okay, so I will just double click this also. So these are different ways wherein you can just change the format. So let's say in cases wherein you have very big data over here and this has increased a lot, and if you are scrolling your mouse and you are not able to find out where does C column end, so that I can just click this button over here and adjust it. What you need to do is just click on that cell, click on column width, and then change it, so that in later case you can just adjust the width also. So that was it for the day. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.